Hello friends, how's it going? It's me, Betty Jean. Happy Hallobean. For today's look, it was totally inspired by Erica Marie MUA. She did this really cool black pointillism style look. I was obsessed the second I saw this. I think it looks so cool and spooky. I just took major inspiration from her. I will have her Instagram linked down below. I did the same idea, but I just used slightly different color scheme. I'll go into that more in the tutorial portion. I really enjoy how this came out. It was really relaxing to do, actually. If you want to see me create this, then just keep watching. I don't know how this is gonna go. We're just gonna hope for the best. So I really want to just start by just doing a black smoky eye, nothing too crazy. I don't want to use too many colors. I have a feeling I'm going to start every single Halloween video with, I don't know how this is going to go, but I truly just never know how it's going to go. So I'm using my black Moon Cosmetics Full Moon Orb of Light palette. I'm just going to start by taking Cold right here, and I'm just going to use one of my Anastasia dual-ended brushes for this whole thing. I'm just using the fluffy side, and I'm just going to start swirling this through the crease. I like this color because it's very neutral cool. It's not too warm because I don't really want a bunch of warmth in my eye area. I just want this to be black and then fade out. And I guess you could probably do whatever eye look you want with this, but I like the way the girl in the pictures is just a black smoky eye and then it fades out. Next I'm going to go right in with black, and I'm just going to take the shadow side of that brush. And I'm going to begin to just pack this black all over the lid. And a little under this lower lash line. And I'm just flipping the brush over to begin blending it out. Now using the same blending side, I'm going to dip into Wolf right here. And I'm just using this to help merge the lighter shade and the black shade together. I'm gonna go ahead and pop some mascara on. So the next thing I wanna do just to get the base going is I have my I'm Nude liquid lipstick from Jeffree Star. I'm just gonna tap some of this on my lips and pat it out so it's diffused, but so it'll make my lips nice and blank. Alright, so now comes the fun part. Basically I wanna do a very similar vibe to Erica, but instead of using just black, I'm gonna use like the colors of autumn. So I have a black liquid liner, then I have a bunch of different liquid lipsticks. I have like a dark red, a brown, a more true red, and orange, and I even have a yellow. I'm just gonna try to make that work. It's basically gonna be like the base of it's gonna be black, and then as the dots fade more towards the center of my face, it's gonna be just fading lighter and lighter, if that makes sense. And I have my dotting tools right here. I just got these from Amazon. They're just for like nail art and stuff like that. But anything that has a little dot on the end is gonna be your best friend. They don't have to be too precise. They don't have to be exact little like dots and circles. They just have to be like little points basically, because the whole idea is pointillism. As far as my base, all I've done so far is my foundation, concealer, powder, and I did contour. There goes nothing. Okay, I'm starting to feel hopeful already, like, because it doesn't have to be perfect. Of course, if you have your forehead showing, you can take it up into the contours of your forehead, but I have bangs, so I don't have to worry about it. I actually love the variance in it, and that it's not just perfect little circles. As I get up into this eyebrow region, I am just going to kind of splatter it around my eyebrow, which is also why I did choose to do black eyebrows, so that the black dots wouldn't make no sense around it.
Are you afraid of the dark?
Alright, we're gonna begin working on the lips now. And again, we're just kind of getting the foundation going. We are gonna build on this, so I know it looks kind of weird right now.
I am you.
I think this is an okay place to stop with the black. So now we're gonna take the brown because it's the next darkest. I'm just loading it up on my dotting tool, and I'm just gonna start in the same area. Just start doing the same thing. The only downfall is I am gonna have to keep dipping in multiple times to get even splatterness. So if you have different colors in actual liquid liners, I think it would be easier, but just do what you gotta do, you know? This is gonna be the most annoying thing ever to wash off later. I feel like this little area really already helps it come together. I'm loving how messy and so not precise this is. It makes me so happy. Feeling okay here for the brown. I'm gonna take a little bit more black though because I realized I didn't really put any dots around my eye area, so I want to just go back and kind of do that. Focusing it a little bit more so in the crease area, but you know, just being sporadic. I feel like this is already coming together so cool. So the next shade I'm gonna go in with is Jeffree Star's Unicorn Blood because this is kind of the next transition between the brown and then the brighter red. And I'm literally just gonna do the same thing, just starting on the cheeks, jawline, but I'm just gonna, as I go lighter, I'm just bringing it a little bit more towards the center of my face. My whole face isn't gonna be covered, but I want it to be like an obvious, just a transition, you know? You can be crazy with it. You don't have to be too precise. Focusing on the nose again. I really want the tip of my nose to be really dark like how hers is, and then just spreading it out from there. Especially under the nose, I feel like I don't want that to be very light. I hope this is actually coming out cool and I'm not just crazy thinking it's looking cool, but I think it's looking really cool. Obviously this isn't really anything, like it's not a character. It's still really cool and artsy, like I feel like a piece of artwork. I'm extending my mouth a little bit just when it fades, because I think that's gonna make it look creepy too. So I know I have that brighter red that I was gonna use, but I think I'm gonna save this to see if I need it, and I'm gonna jump straight in with the orange now. And guess what? We're gonna do the same freaking thing. I don't like how blank my chin's looking, so I'm just gonna, nothing too crazy, just start putting a light little bit through the chin. Sorry I'm not talking too much. It's just this takes a lot of concentration. I'm not even just listening to music or something, I'm just in dead silence doing this. So I know I said I had that bright red and I have that yellow, but I think I don't want to add those. I think I like it with just the reds and the orange. I am going to go back with my black liquid liner just to re-intensify some of like the basic hollow areas, just so that some areas look extra dark. I think I'm happy with where this is sitting actually. I just feel like a creepy piece of artwork, you know? I think it came out really cool. It just takes some patience. I've been at this for a little while now, but I'm really happy with how it came out. I think it looks spooky. It looks like costume makeup. This is something you could easily do if you were going to a party or something like that. I think it's cool. I would totally wear this. I like that I used kind of autumny colors, but it's still really dark and deep and spooky, but you could do this with literally any color combo, I feel like. You could do pastels, you could do brights, neons, anything like that. But I'm really happy I did this. I really like it. What do you guys think? Do you think I look spooky? Do you think this is cool? Let me know. I like it. Be nice to me. If you are to do it on other parts of your body, just like focus on the parts where there are natural contours and shadows, you know? How are you guys enjoying Hallobean so far? Hopefully it's going well. Technically October hasn't even started by the time I am filming this, so hopefully things are going well by the time this one goes up. I'm enjoying filming videos so far. If you're not already, please hop over to my Instagram, it's beautbean, follow me there. I post every single day, and don't forget to subscribe before you leave. I've been posting every Monday through Friday, but normally it's Monday, Wednesday, Friday, but for October, it's Monday through Friday. Thank you so much for watching. Happy Hallobean, and I will catch you in the next one. Okay, bye.